Hi Libra and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of October is going to be for you, for your health, wealth, for your job, for your career, for your money, soul growth, mental exercise of the month, chakra of the month, number of the month, color of the month. What is that one thing that you need to take care of for the whole month, and what will happen if you follow everything? So a lot of things to cover. So this month is actually a month which is going to give you an ending and a new beginning. So there has been things that you've been undergoing from last few months. There has been up downs that you've been undergoing from last few months. There could be troubles that you have been undergoing from last few months, and now it's the time where a new beginning is going to start. A new sun is going to rise. There is 10 is endings, and there is 1 is beginnings. So a new beginning is about to happen. There is another one. There is magician, so you're going to have all the resources. There is 2 of wands. You're going to manifest the things that you need to. There's queen and king of cups, manifesting and understanding or acing your emotions, and along with that developing your intuition. There is 6 of pentacles, so getting what you deserve. There's tower, ending of the old structures, and there is knight of wands. There is 9 of coins. Overall very powerful change that is happening for you, but a new beginning basically that is happening for you, putting an end to the old situations or old problems. Now we start from health perspective. From the health perspective, it looks like any health issue or a surgery that you have undergone in past few months or past few days, you're going to start healing from that. So this month, rather than having a health issue, which I don't see any health issue as such happening, I see a growth happening, I see healing happening, I see things working out for you. And if there is any kind of surgery or there is any back related issue or any issue as such that you've had in the past, this month is going to help you heal that. So you don't have to be scared in any ways. For your mental health, the cards is queen of cups and king of cups, and if I remember correctly, last 2 months your soul growth was to learn to control your emotions or learn to ace your emotions, and that is where you are now. From 9 to 10, now you've aced your emotions. And for mental health, if you've aced your emotions already, then there is nothing to be worried. But if you've not done that, this is a chance, a final chance where you should do that, because that is something that will help you develop your intuition. So this month, do not let your emotions overflow. Know where you are, know where you stand, and at the same time have control over your emotions. And controlling doesn't mean you control your emotions. Controlling means you accept your emotions and then you flow with them. If we talk about your wealth, there is 6 of pentacles, and there is ace of pentacles, and there is 9 of pentacles. So I don't see any worry as such with your wealth or money flow. Money will flow to you. The only problem is that the money as much the money as flows to you, you might just think that you deserve more. You have not gotten that one extra that you were supposed to get, but you were not supposed to get that. So if you see, there are 3 coins here and 2 here, and out of those 2 there is 1 coin that is here, which is on your nose space. So whatever you're getting in terms of money is exactly what you deserve this month, exactly how much you should have this month. It's all in sync with your life path, in sync with your soul, and that's why accept that. Be thankful for what you have. Practice gratitude, practice thank you exercise. It's going to be important. I'll share the link in the description box. If we talk about from your relationships perspective, if you are thinking to propose somebody, if you want to begin a new relationship, a good month. There's magician, the king and queen of cups. You can definitely start a new relationship. There is no thinking about it. You can definitely start a new relationship. If you wanted to end a relationship that was not working out for you, it would already end. It looks like it will end by the end of September or beginning of October. So definitely a relationship that was not working out will end. If you are into a steady stable relationship, which I doubt, because it looks like there is something that is happening in your relationship angle, because the relationship healing was happening. If everything is fine, it will continue to be fine. It will continue to be better if you ace your emotions. Otherwise, some emotional situations or up down might happen. But if at all anything happens in your relationship, any up down, any situation that is going to happen to help you heal your emotions, and if you take it in a positive way, you will be able to move forward with it. If there is a pregnancy that you've been trying, this is a good month. The pregnancy should happen this month and you will manifest that. So there shouldn't be any worry about that, because the cards are positive. If we talk about your job or career, I see opportunities coming up. With Ace of Sword, I see a new opportunity coming up. I see an idea or thought in your mind that you want to put in practice. There could have been an end of a job and a new opportunity that kind of comes simultaneously. There could be that you end one job and you pick up a new one beforehand, so you're into your notice period. There could be that if you didn't have a job, a new offer come your way. The only thing that I would tell you is, one, be very careful with your words, with your communication. This month it is very important. Second, don't leave anything because you're getting a little less money, because like I said, whatever you get this month is something that you deserve and you should move ahead with it. If you're talking about growth, if you're wanting growth, again, the growth might happen, might not be exactly how much you wanted it to be, but accept it. It's going to be good for you. If you have been thinking to move or travel in or around the country, that's going to manifest. And if there is any exam, anything that you've been thinking to do, anything that you've been thinking to ace, anything that you've been wanting to do, this is a good month to put that into practice. Take action, stop thinking. If there's a business passion you wanted to pick up, this is the month to take action, start doing that, and that will give you results very fast. But if you don't put that into practice, you keep thinking about it, it's not going to help. So just don't keep thinking about it. Anything that you wanted to put into practice, whether it is a business, whether it is a job opportunity, whether it is changing your job, put that into practice. But if you're changing your job, ensure that you should have something in your hand before you leave your old job. Now if we talk about soul growth this month, intuitive development. So intuitive development will only happen if you ace your emotions. So work on acing your emotions and let your intuitions develop. There is already a series on intuitive development. There's already a series on soul growth and soul path. You can watch that series. It will help you understand why you need to ace your emotions, how you can connect with your guides and angels, because that's something I can see on your cards. And also there is a series on learning tarot. It's free of cost and it will help you develop your intuition. Intuitive development is what is your soul growth this month. It will help you learn and move forward. If there is anything, any old structure that breaks down, anything that happens, it is happening to teach you self-love. It is happening to teach you connect with yourself. It is happening to teach you that you need to develop your intuition and you need to ace your emotion. That's what your soul growth is this month. Chakra of the month. This month your chakra is sacral chakra. Sacral chakra is located 2 fingers below the navel. The mantra is Vam. Practice this meditation, going to help you big time, because sacral chakra is the chakra of willpower. It's a chakra of emotions. It's a chakra of communication. It's a chakra of expression. That's going to help you a lot this month, because that's the main thing that you're going to work upon on this month. For your mental exercise of the month, the card is mind. And if you see, there are towers on his mind that are falling off, and then there is a tower here, and that's happening because your mind is playing games with you. You're thinking too much. You are actually evaluating so many things that you don't even need to, and that's happening because you are acing your emotions. So this month you can affirm, I allow myself to let go of all the negativity, all the thinking. I allow myself to flow with the flow of life, to accept what is coming to me, to accept it with gratitude, to accept it with beautifully, with acknowledge, to accept it with the knowledge that it is best for me, it is what I deserve. And once I accept that, the abundance is going to flow to me, which is flowing to me already. I'm thankful for everything in my life. So start doing that. It is going to be very important this month. Don't think much. If there are a lot of thoughts that are coming into your mind, chant something, but ensure that you're not thinking a lot this month. If you can, please like the video, share the video with everyone that you can, and subscribe the channel. That will help me continue making these videos. For one thing that you need to take care of for this whole month, the card is 2 of cups. Now there is 1 and then there is 2. So there is 10, 1 and 2. And basically this is manifestation. Basically this is connecting with yourself. This is connecting with your emotions. This is communications. This is balancing yourself. This is having self-love and having love for others. So practice gratitude this month. Ace your emotions and then ace your communications. Be very careful about what you're saying. Say it with love. Say it with affection. Say it with empathy. That's going to be something which is going to be very important for you this month. And self love, very important. Don't be self critical, start loving yourself. That's going to be important for this month. Number of the month, undoubtedly number 1. Color of the month, orange, red, yellow, golden. Any of these shades are going to be good for you. What will happen if you follow the advice of the cards? This Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands is a very powerful card. Queen of Wands is a card who is a psychic, who is powerful, who is nurturing, who knows where she is leading. She is passionate, she can achieve anything. And that's when all these things come into play, where you find your intuition, where you develop your intuition, where you find your power and authority. And that is why it is very important that you stay positive this month and you continue working towards that psychic power, that intuitiveness that you're meant to receive, or that your soul is meant to receive in by being into this life. And there are a lot of videos on my channel which will help you do that, with positivity, with soul growth, with safety circles. So there's a lot of it. Go through the playlist. Everything is sorted in the playlist. Go through the playlist and you'll find something that will be of help for you. And if you find something that is of help for you, share it with others and leave the feedback in the comments for sure. If you want to know more than this and you want to get your personalized tarot reading done, you can contact me through the Facebook link provided in the description box or through the comment section. You just have to write a message that I want my personalized reading. I will share my number, will take it forward from there. And just ensure that you ace your communication. Whatever is ending, it is giving you a new beginning. Manifest what you want to, accept what you have in life, develop intuitively, and let things flow. Take action, very important. Don't keep thinking. And I will see you with the next month's prediction. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.